y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be this look right here. I never know what to name my looks. I don't think people even still title their looks. I don't know. This is today's look, so make sure you guys go ahead and stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and prime. I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Golden. So pretty much for this look, I'm going to be using my Zulu palette from Juvias place. I took the purple, the yellow, and the orange from this palette. I'm going to take the orange. I'll just go ahead and grab some yellow. Okay, yeah, so now I'm just adding a little bit some more of the purple. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit. I'm just gonna take a random blending brush just to blend this out right here. And then we're gonna just go ahead and cut the crease. So I did cut my crease with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade White. So I just take my brush and I make sure I blend this out because I'm using the matte concealer, and if I don't go ahead and blend it, it'll be hard to blend later and it'll just be like a harsh cutoff when I get ready to do like my under eye concealer and stuff, and we definitely do not want that. Okay, so I'm going to take another M213 brush, which is the same brush I just cut my crease with, but a different one, obviously. And I'm going to take some of this purple, and the first thing I'm going to do is clean up this line over here because it's messy. I'm taking another M506, and I'm picking up some purple. I'm going to dust off or tap off a lot of the excess powder, and I'm just going to blend this corner on back in. I'm going to use the same yellow from the Zulu palette to pack on the first or the inner corner of my lid, and then in the middle I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to take the shade Positivity. So I'm going to mix it with this pinkish shade down here for the Zulu palette. Really, you could leave it like this, but you really can't even tell I did that. But I ended up mixing my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in White and Deep Olive, and I made like this nude shade, and I just kind of used this lip brush to kind of dot it in my crease to give the illusion of eyeliner. So I used this neon glitter stacker, and I just grabbed the yellow and the orange, and I used my dual lash glue to apply it. Then, as y'all can see, I used the same nude mixture I made, and I created a wing liner, but I didn't bring it all the way to like the front of my lid. I just started in the middle, and I used some yellow eyeshadow to kind of give it an ombre effect, and then I also ended up adding some golden rhinestones. This part of the video has no audio because I feel like I have so many videos of how I do my skin or foundation routine. And if y'all refer back to my last video, it's literally very detailed. It has all the items listed that I use. So if you guys would like a detailed video on how I do my face, then make sure you go back to my last video. The only difference in this video is I actually applied a foundation that was too light. It was one that I had. It was by Too Faced in the shade Mocha. And it used to match me, but it don't match me no more. So I just had to go back to using my two Maybellines that I mixed together. But like I said, y'all can definitely go back and watch my last video if you want all the details. But yeah, I'm going to just let y'all watch this part. And then I'm going to come back when it's time for me to finish my eyes. So I ended up smoking out some green eyeshadow at the bottom using the M506 brush, and the green glitter I added came from the exact same neon stacker I showed y'all earlier. This is pretty much how the look ended up turning out. I have this bump right here by my eyebrow, and I feel like it makes it look like there's a patch on my face and there isn't, so excuse that. But other than that, y'all, I ended up adding green at the bottom because I wanted to add a pop of a different color, and I also added some green rhinestones, and I feel like that really made the look go ahead and come together. So if you guys enjoyed this look, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.